for midnight. For 12 midnight, we meet up you for church here. When we pray, we hear for front and boom. We want to come out, we see you with the ashitik, with the thing them. We see you with the kako, with the ashitik. For 12 midnight, you say some people will be sending you for here. They send you that for can't do waiting for here. So you be wish. Okay, you be the wait for do wait when they send you.
I be waiting make them can't show the thing where they take me to for here.
Okay, you are hearing. We caught her here at 12 midnight as we were praying. We heard at the front and boom. When we rushed the front, we saw her. She picked this thing. She was struggling to run. And she's explaining that she was waiting that the people that have brought her here to come and give her the assignment. But what I wanted her to expose is how the secret, how the prayer caught her, which she's resisting to talk. Because we caught her here at 12 midnight. You are going to see the updates on our page. You see the images and the time when we caught her and everything, how the scenario happened. We're going to bring it up to you. Please share. Let people know that in our society, witchcraft is real. And the worst enemies of our lives are the member of our own household. This mother is a neighbor to somebody, is a friend to somebody, is a mother to somebody, but she is the one killing and causing terrible destruction from the spiritual world. So prayer actually arrested her. Mommy, now we prayer don't catch you for you. So you get some neighbor way, we feel go call you. You get some neighbor way, we feel go call you. Yeah, you get some person who will call you now with power, long catch with the power. So you get your neighbor who will call you, also your picking. You get who will call you, one who will call who. You want some who will call who. You want some who will call who say they don't catch you for you.
No, I want fear. That people.
You want some who will call who. You get so your picking, so one who will call her. You get so your picking. You say Pikin don't do her.
At the top of Pikin Palava, not the year.
Say what?
See, all my Pikin will be better.
Yes.
You will hear fire.
Yes.
The day for ground.
The day for ground means say what? 10.
10.
The day for ground means say what?
From the big twins.
You are picking the way we get them. The day for ground it means say what? They die alive or they don't die.
They don't die.
They don't die.
Okay.
Okay, picking not day. You get some neighbor where when they go for church, well, if we go call you, you get your neighbor. You get your neighbor if we go call you. You get your woman where one will call you. You get who? You get your person who you don't get friend.
I see, eh?
Yes. Oh, you know what I mean? Any friend know about what will happen?
For the place where
You doing that you are.
For the place where
Yes.
Yes.
You say what?
I see, eh?
Yes.
For the place where nothing know the friend.
Yes, direct way. No, we could go for they go bring your friend. You get so your neighbor or so your friend, if you go bring them. People the way when they go church, you know people when they go church, you say you go church now. You say you go church for outside. You say you go church for which kind of church? You go church for Cali. Yes, people when you and them when they do meeting. If you go call someone, or you know one say me any man know about this situation.
Then there for that time, what here find the thing at the head so. Then there for that side. This one will meet on me for ya. Nah, other people that don't know them.
Now you are the talk say how they there for that side. You could like say me I send picking them. Me they go bring them. You could like so. Someone will go bring some your neighbor or some your friend then. For you and when they stay for compound. You stay you know you stay here as some person. Mommy answer me. You know you stay here as some person. You don't stay with some person. No. So you see, people of God, this is pure problem of witchcraft. You are going to see the update how we struggle that she should drink water, that anointing water. She refused completely. We heard her here, she refused to drink that water. This is pure witchcraft. As you are seeing this woman sitting here like this, some of you may be compassionate and so on. She is merciless in the spirit realm. Merciless. She says she has 10 children, she has killed them all. So, you know, this is why you have to take your life serious. Don't think that issue of witchcraft is still a myth. It exists. There are people doing witchcraft. They have dedicated their soul to the Lucifer, to the devil, and they are ready to go down for anything as witchcraft is concerned. So you are going to see our updates, how this woman was caught here at midnight, 12 midnight during prayer. Boom! In front there, she was arrested. At that 12 midnight when she was arrested, we rushed out there now and saw her. The sons rushed out there and saw her. And as we were praying together, but I was home, they were in the church. They told me that I've heard a noise, that I've gone and seen an old woman in the front door of the church, struggling to run. Come and see where we caught her.
She had 50 francs.
And then she has particles, she has a blade, a razor blade that they walk around to cut people. You can see the thing that she have. You have checked them. You have seen the thing that they are using. These are her things. We caught her in our territory. We have the right to search her, because if spiritually we don't get her as she's struggling to manipulate, we'll get her physically. You're a thief. If you are not a witch, you're a thief. You came to somebody's premises at midnight to do what? Where is the blade? You can see the thing that she was having. This is the razor blade. See, new razor blade. What they used to cut people with. So come and see where we got her. Sons, and they were interceding with me at midnight as we were doing a chain prayer. They heard boom outside. When they rushed and came here to the front door here, they saw the woman running with her walker stick. Running. You will see the images on all what we are saying now. So she ran and hid behind here. Behind this gate here. So one of the sons came and stood here and was saying that she should come out, if not they will pour anointing water upon her. She now gradually came out and came down. So you can see we are right now at the headquarters of the Champions International House of Prayer. Here we are. So they came to attack. Our own powers overcame them. She's calling names, calling church. She the one calling it. We are not saying anything about that. That she was sent and that she was still waiting for instruction on what to do. And when she came now, she was arrested. So we wanted to expose the secret, how they transform from bird to human, from human to bird to snakes, human to snakes and flies and so on, because that's how they walk. And some walk through brooms. So that's how we caught that woman here at midnight. You will see the update of the images. And that's what happened here at 12 midnight. So even the press has been informed and the press is there. Monitor everything. So you are going to get the updates as we interrogate her. You are going to get all the updates on our page, so that you should be aware out there that witchcraft is real. It's not a joke, people of God. Take your life serious, because there are people monitoring you and waiting to strike at any given point that you give them a chance. God bless you, and stay tuned on Champions TV. Share, so there will be updates later on. So.